What is going on, everybody? Today I am back, and today I'm going to be showing you how you can make a lightning trident in your own Minecraft world without mods, without add-ons, without anything, PC and PE. All you need is mods and a trident.
Bruh.
I mean, not mods. I'm sorry. That was a trip of words. All you need is a command block and a trident, and it would be nice if I can find a village. Ooh, yes. So, get yourself a trident, get yourself a command block, get yourself some loyalty 3, and get yourself a village, and you have the best combination of things in Minecraft the world has ever seen. First, let's get a command block real quick. Give me a command block. Boom. Okay, so now I got a command block. Now all I'm gonna need is a trident. Obviously, I mean, you can't make a lightning trident without a trident. And you're gonna want a loyalty 3 book right here, and a anvil. Yeah, the big metal thing that you can smash things with. Oh, this poor golem. Die, bullies! Oh wait, those are the tiny ones. Those are cute. Anyway, let's just put down the anvil. You want to go into the anvil, put on loyalty 3, but first put in the trident, then put in the book. You got your loyalty 3 trident. Now the reason why you need loyalty 3 is so that after you put it down, so you hit something, it comes right back to you, like Thor's hammer. So once you throw it, it'll strike some thunder, and it'll come right back to you, just like Thor's hammer, and that's what makes this so epic. And you want to get out your command block, you put execute at entity. Then you want to put a little parentheses, you want to put type equals trident. Then put a comma, nbt equals in, oh wait, no, not, oh yeah, it's equals. You gotta put a parentheses, always parentheses in code, in ground, make sure the G is capitalized, and then you wanna put colon, 1B, parentheses, and another weird parentheses, and then you wanna put run, summon, lightning bolt, easy. And then you wanna change this to repeat, change this to always active, you got a purple one, and I think you're all ready. Boom. Well, thanks everybody for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure to smash that subscribe button, and make sure to check out my other videos about how to make explosive bows, lightning bows, other awesomely cool stuff, and how to do a stone generator in Skyblock, because I know that's a really popular game nowadays. And oh look, the slime's trying to get me. Can't get me in Nano Chaos. I'm invincible. Anyway, thanks for watching. Make sure to smash the subscribe button, and we'll see you next time.